I want to start this episode with the question I get asked more than any other, and I'm not going to dodge it. Will AI take my job? It's a fair question, and honestly, the media isn't helping. One headline says AI will eliminate millions of jobs. The next says AI will create millions of new ones. So which is it? Let me give you the honest answer. Here's the thing. That question itself might be the wrong one to ask, because the real shift happening isn't AI versus humans. It's humans without AI versus humans with AI. Let me say that again. The businesses and professionals who learn to use AI well will have a massive advantage over those who don't. It's not about replacement. It's about leverage. Think about when calculators were introduced. Did they eliminate accountants? No. They eliminated the manual calculation part of accounting. And the accountants who learned to use calculators became far more valuable than those who refused. So what does AI actually threaten? Not most jobs, but specific tasks within jobs. Think about photographers when cameras went digital. Did digital cameras eliminate photographers? No. They eliminated the darkroom, the film developing, the waiting days to see if a shot even worked. The photographers who embraced digital could shoot more, experiment more, and serve more clients faster than ever before. The camera changed. The eye behind it didn't. The repetitive ones, the predictable ones. Copy-pasting data, writing the same type of email 40 times, scheduling, sorting, basic report generation. If your entire job is made of tasks like that, yes, there's disruption coming. But for most small business owners and entrepreneurs, AI isn't your enemy. It's your relief. Because you were never hired to do that busy work. You were hired, or you hired yourself to think, to solve problems, to build relationships, to create something. AI handles the repetitive. You handle the remarkable. But here's where I want to be straight with you. The real risk isn't AI. The real risk is avoidance. Businesses that ignore AI won't lose to AI. They'll lose to competitors who are using it. If your competitor can produce content in a quarter of the time, respond to customers 24 hours a day, personalize marketing to every segment, and make data-backed decisions faster than you can open a spreadsheet, that's not a technology gap. That's a survivability gap. Here's what I think is the most important mindset shift. Stop asking, will AI replace me? Start asking, how do I become someone who directs AI? Because the highest paid, most secure professionals in the next decade won't be the ones who can do everything manually. They'll be the ones who know how to get the most out of the tools available to them. The person who types the best prompts, who knows which tool to use for which job, who understands the strategy while AI handles the execution. That person, incredibly valuable. That's who you want to become. So no, I don't think AI is coming for you. I think it's coming for the version of you that's stuck doing everything the hard way. And in episode 4, our final episode, we get completely practical. Real tools, real workflows, real examples of how small business owners are using AI right now to work smarter. Not theory, not hypotheticals, the actual playbook. I'm Jessie, and this is RepurVue Podcast. I'll see you on the next one.